In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Excel with multiple values. Go ahead and launch Excel on your device. When it opens, you will see the start screen with options like recent workbooks and templates. If Excel opens straight into a blank sheet instead, that is fine. You are exactly where you need to be to begin. Now open an existing book. Click on your file in the recent list or browse to find the workbook that has the data you want to filter. When the workbook opens, you should see your sheet with column headers at the top and rows of data underneath. Take a second to confirm that your data is laid out in clear columns, because Excel filters work best when each column has a single type of information. Next, click any cell inside your data table. Just pick one cell that sits within the range of data you want to filter, not an empty area far away. When your cursor is inside the table, Excel can automatically detect the surrounding block of data. If your headers are filled in, Excel will recognize those as field names for the filter buttons. From there, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. Look along the top of the window for the row of words like Home, Insert, and Page Layout. Then click Data. When you click it, the ribbon below changes to show tools like Sort, Filter, and Data Tools. Beginners sometimes stay on the Home tab and cannot find Filter, so checking the tab name here saves confusion. Next up, click the large Filter button, the one with the funnel icon. You will find it near the left side of the data ribbon, in the Sort and Filter group. Once you click Filter, tiny drop-down arrows appear in the header cells of each column in your table. That change confirms that filtering is now active for your data. At this point, click the Filter drop-down arrow on the column you want to search. Hover over Text Filters if the column contains text, or Number Filters if it contains numbers. A small menu will appear when you hover, showing several filter options related to that data type. Using the correct menu type ensures Excel applies the right kind of comparison to your values. After that, select Custom Filter. A new window opens, usually titled Custom AutoFilter, with two filter rows, each with a drop-down and a text box. This window is where you tell Excel exactly which values you want to include when it filters your rows. Now change the first drop-down to Contains or Equals and type your first value. Contains finds any cell that includes that text anywhere inside, while Equals only matches cells that exactly match what you type. After you type the value, look at the preview wording in the window. It updates to describe the condition you just set. Next, click the OR radio button in the middle of the window. This tells Excel that rows can match the first condition or the second one to stay visible. If you left it on and, Excel would only show rows that match both conditions at the same time, which is rarely what you want with different values. With that ready, change the second drop-down to Contains or Equals and type your second value. Then click OK. Excel closes the window and instantly filters the table, leaving only rows that match either of the two values you entered. You accomplish setting up a custom Excel filter that shows rows matching multiple values in a single column. So please give this video a quick thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you would like more clear Excel walkthroughs.